Is this thing on? Hello, hello? Am I still a streamer? Am I still a trader? Hello, hello, hello? Hello, chat? Hello, 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 hello? Good morning, I mean good afternoon. Hello, hello, hello? Is this thing on? Hello? Chat. 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 What is all that? Oh boy. Oh boy. Chat, 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 chat. Do you see what trade I just hit? Do you see this? Went to sleep, almost got liquidated, then to the moon, baby. To the moon. Had a couple take profits. One got hit at 4,400. Second one got hit at 4,450. Third one got hit at 4,500. And then I just scaled off a little more at this top. But we are gunning for 5,000 Ethereum. We are gunning for it. We've already secured massive profits, 100% of the account. We're up 1,680 on this little section. This is like 10% of the initial, something like that. Actually a little less. The margin's only 6,633. That's the regular margin right there. We put 10,000 into this trade with 24x leverage. Almost got liquidated. If you saw, I posted on the YouTube post. Also was active on X as soon as I did this, and it was just a sporadic thing. I wanted, my original price target was 4,100, but I missed it. I didn't have any alerts, missed it, but there are no missed opportunities. Only the next one, merch. Also, you guys been waiting. I originally designed it for, let me turn down the music. You guys could barely hear me, but I originally designed it. I was going to be live all this week and then have a 20% off sale just for Jerome Powell. But since I've hit this massive trade, 20% off every single thing at nomissedopportunity.com, the merch, obviously. I finally got my own merch. Finally. Waited almost a week for the thing to ship. Absolutely obscene. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at the merch. Appreciate Miguel, Empire, Mach, Chiller. You cooking with the ETH long? Hey. Hey. I think we're going to hit 5,000. I have no idea after that, but I believe we are going to hit 5,000. Shoo. For Bitcoin, probably just sweep the highs. Short term, probably go to 118,000, bouncing off the 200 SMA. Now it may not come to fruition. I expect the ETH to bounce off this 200 SMA. We'll see. We'll see. Morning, 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 good afternoon, good evening. Now we do have a stop on this trade, so it's 100% risk-free at this point, obviously. And we're up insane. ETH new all-time highs. Yep, matcha man. We can hear 7. I thought you weren't going to come here today. It was sporadic trades, very sporadic. I figured it was a good opportunity. Called a trade. Traded a little bit off stream yesterday and today on NQ futures. A little bit. Decided to take the long ETH. I just saw a couple things. I can show you real quick. So first of all, I looked at this 4 hour, I believe. No, it was a 30-minute. Let's go here. One sec. Okay, so right here, ETH bounced and reclaimed. Actually, it was back here. ETH bounced, reclaimed the 200 SMA. So I took a long off the 200 SMA bounce. Then obviously I was asleep. It went through it, almost got liquidated. And then to the moon it went. To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Also, I saw this. Go here. I tweeted all this. Fear and greed for crypto. If it can load. Fear and greed for crypto. 46 out of 100. It was primed and ready to go. Primed and ready to go, and that's exactly what it did. And then also, I was already bullish at that level. 4,100. So I decided to take some risk, put some risk on. Chat. Got the merch. I thought you wasn't coming in. Someone's in a good mood. I mean, how can you not be? 100% an account. It is what it is. Congratulations on 7,000 subscribers. Appreciate you, trades. Chat. Chris Smart for this one, leaving a hit like target hit channel and make no appearances. Oh, you thought. You thought. Insane, chat. Let's do some analysis though. So RSI getting overextended. Will it hit 5,000? I think so. May have a couple pullbacks, maybe to the VWAP, maybe not. Also, William R, 120 day, just everything signaling overbought. ETH is up 14% today. 14%. Absolute crazy. Crazy stuffs. Also, Brett. Bletty. What a great day. What a great day. Absolutely obscene. If you guys are new here, if you're enjoying the raw, transparent trading, smash the like button, follow the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm usually live every day at 9:30 a.m. EST. Just need to take a break and do a little trading off stream. Accrued too many losses in NQ Future recently, but this more than just far outweighs all the losses. So that's good. We got another 4 months at least of free NQ Future trading just off this trade alone. Very nice. What are you doing? 80. We're watching this go to the moon while I already secured $9,777 in profits, just trailing the remaining like 10%, 6%. Currently up 1,660 on it. And it's risk-free too. Stop is engaged. I have a 75% TP of the remaining amount at 5,000. Now, I have no plans for the stream. I can tell you that. We can catch up on news. Jerome Powell spoke. A lot of stuff happened over the day or two I was gone. Today is the second day, so second day. Trump tweets and just crazy amounts of news. So we have all that to go over. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today. We'll see. Feels pretty good. That was truly amazing. I was long on everything. Didn't expect this moon. I did. I would pull it back. So let me go over here. This is why you guys gotta get in the Twitter com. Gotta get in the Twitter com and follow my tweets. Don't follow what I do, but definitely follow my tweets. True. At the next resistance IMO. Radu is doubting on Twitter. You see this? Let me pull it over. You guys see this? Radu is doubting. Doubting. Alright, let's go here. This is my Twitter. Obviously, I'm live, obviously. But it started way back here. This is not the first. It is right here. This is the first tweet I made 11 hours ago. It was like 2 a.m. Something like that. And I just sporadically opened up a trade. Now, right here, Opened it when it was about to pump. Had first TP at 4,400. Second one at 4,450. Third one at 4,500. Then this one just shows the 24x leverage, 10,000 margin. So I put 10,000 in the position, 24x'd it. That's why it says 55 ETH and 240,000. Second tweet. That's why you gotta follow the Twitter. I said notice anything, and no one guessed it, but 46 out of 100, fear and greed. Everyone just FOMOing ETH. I saw everyone wear on Twitter, and I usually do the opposite, but I knew it was early into the bull run, so I just hit the action button. Also, purple, I just was very ominous, very mysterious. Purple meaning it bounced over the 200 SMA. And it's primed to go higher, low as well. Higher high, lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Get over the VWAP 200 SMA, primed to go. I said, looks like a winner. It'll be a day before break even is put in for risk free. And this is when I pretty much went to sleep. To the moon. This is kind of the prediction I was going for, but it actually did something like this. Boom, 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 boom. How soon will take profit be hit? Ethereum is pumping. 100% the account at the moment. Went to sleep, woke up. That is where we left off. And it looks like it is primed. It is primed. Primed to go to 5,000. 5,000. What's your broker and on what platform are you trading? Addy, everything is linked below. BITUNIX. BITUNIX is linked below. That is the platform I have leverage trading crypto on. Leverage trading. Leverage trading. Nice, Chris. Glad with it. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm at least gonna trail this up probably to 5,000 if it can go, if it can moon. Not looking for a long stream today, but who knows? Who knows? We may just be here trailing this all the way up. Yo, Ahmad. Ed, I'm up 10K today from Ethereum. Same brother. I secured 9,777. And we're just letting this 6% ride. Taking 75% of the remaining position at 5,000. I believe we will hit it today, but we'll see. Could be wrong. This could be a lower high and it just sends right down. Did you trade the NQ today? A little bit. Not much, but a little bit. Yesterday and today I traded a little bit. And I'm up 6K on Ethereum for the last 2 to 3 weeks. Good job, Ed. Good stuff. What is the all-time high? I think we are very close to it. I believe we're already at it. Yeah, we've already eclipsed it. All-time highs for Ethereum is at 4,793. We've already went above it, tapped it, and now bouncing from it, at least temporarily. I'm looking for a big bounce to 5,000. May not fully get it, but we'll see. A stop right below this high wouldn't be bad. This is only 6%, so I really wouldn't even care if this came fully down and stopped us out. We are up 1,700 on just this 6% alone. But I'm really looking for the moon. Also, started this position at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. So we've been holding this for about 12 hours. 12 hours. NQ today and yesterday was nice. Really trades. All-time high is November 2021. Ooh. I don't know if BITUNIX can go that far. Let's see. Go 3 day. Yeah, it stops right here. pull it up. We're at it. We're at it. 4,871. Tapping it. All over it. Let's high those. 4,851. So we are 30 points away. Yeah, I think we're mooning. I think we're going to moon. May have some hesitation, consolidation, cool off. It did wake up from 4,207 up 600. Could go. Yeah, you should short it. Nah. No, thank you, sir. Could be a lower high. Not today, sir. Fat short is a good idea. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm looking for 5,000. I'm looking for 5,000. Worst case, this comes all the way down. I'll probably be holding this for the next day or two. Unless we can hit 5,000 within a brief period, then I'll only be trailing 25% of the remaining 6% position. Looking to get 75% out at 5,000 if it can hit it. If not, this will come all the way down, tap the stop loss, and we'll be up like, we have realized 9,770, so we'll be up like 9,900, 100% of the account. I'm fine with that. It's either goes or it doesn't. Goes or it doesn't, man. Merch. Come on. Wasn't advice. He asked if it was a good idea, and I said, yeah, it wasn't advice. Appreciate it. So, do we think this is going to hit 5,000, chat? Yes or no? Do we think this is a lower high, going to send it down? Or do you think it's going to hit 5,000? 5,000, wow. What do you think, chat? No financial advice, true trades. I believe if we break it, it will fly. I think so. And if someone listens to some random guy on YouTube, he deserves to lose money in financial advice. Gappa says 6,100. Hopefully you guys did well in the NQ the last couple of days. Miss you guys, man. It's needed to trade a little bit off stream. Recoup some of these losses, and that's been done by a mile. By a mile. Much chiller. What's up, man? Miguel says 61 ETH. Capper would be the dream. True. Trade says 5,358 on ETH, I think. Market have me a new truck today. Oof. Feels good to trade with only profit. Feels good. I really could remove the 75%. I'm in with 6% of the remaining position of where we started. I'm looking to get 75% of that 6% out at 5,000. Then I'll trail the remaining 25% of the 6% up as far as it can go. As far as it can go, man. I think ETH going down now, but I'm not an analysis. We'll see much. It is kind of forming a higher high, higher low, lower high, but don't underestimate it. I'm fine either way. I'm a price data engineer. I think it'll hit all-time highs before it goes down. Maybe 4,900, then go down. But I'm betting on 5K being hit. What about NASDAQ? I traded a little bit today and yesterday. Only a little bit. Only a little bit. Just testing out some new strategies, etc. Market gave me a new truck today. Good job, Gap. I just need to step away from the charts a little bit. A little bit. Step away. Just zoom out a little bit. Got really cooked the last couple days on stream. Gapper said 5K is big whole psych number, so should be resistance there. That's why I'm taking 75%. Should really, the true take is at like 4,980 just before it hits it, because it'll probably hesitate a little bit. But I'm going for the full banana split, the full eruption, the full volcano, the full lavea, the full dreamboat, the full merch is 20% off. Go get it. Yep. You have to use the code crypto20 though at checkout if you're going to get it. You have to use the code. Mach says he uses 25x IG. I don't know what IG is, but yes, I'm on 24x leverage isolated long Ethereum. Have remaining position size of 16,750 with margin of actual 633, but we are all risk free. Stop is engaged. Hello. When we get a Discord, can always ask ChatGPT for a Discord setup, Chris. We need that. I know. I've neglected Gapper. Gapper has hit me up. I've been just so preoccupied. I'm still doing merch designs, which is interesting, but none of them will be launched for a while. Also messing around with the simulator, trying to upgrade stream, simplify it. And I really am neglecting the members, the YouTube members, the premium members plus, really neglecting them. Really. And I apologize, guys. Neglecting them. Can Ethereum fall? What is your view? Absolutely, Ethereum can fall. It does not have to hit all-time highs. All-time highs is at 4,881. It does not have to hit it. It can create a lower high rate here and just tank down. But we are risk-free. This is 6% of the remaining initial position. So I'm fine either way. A stop right here wouldn't be bad, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to give it full room. Full room. I'm also willing to hold this for the next week, for the next day, 2 days. Ed said I'm using 4x leverage and I'm up more than him. Well, you start with more initial. Ed, do you not know how stop losses work? This is risk-free. 24x leverage, start with 10,000 initial. I only have 630 in there. We scaled out. You can see sell here. First TP was at 4,400. Second was at 4,450. Third was at 4,500. Then I took another 75% chunk of the remaining 25% right here at the all-time highs. Now we're looking for 75% scout out here, and then we'll trail 25% up. But it is risk-free because the stop is here. Stop right here. If you can see, if you're not blind, if you can use your vision, man. Use your vision. Oh, good on you, brother. Appreciate your rates. Ayo, Quinko. Ayo. Christopher's cooking in the kitchen. Ah. What do you think, chat? What do you think of the Jerome Powell tea? Thoughts, chat? Thoughts? Come on. Personally, I like the graphite. All the way. I'm wearing graphite with the white text. Also, Jerome Powell right there is in the graphite. That's personally my favorite color of the merch. Personally, it's awesome. Appreciate it, Miguel. What time frame are you trading? Much, since I usually trade 30-minute with crypto on BITUNIX. Link below, BITUNIX. JK, I don't know, but I have orders at 2,500 all the way down to 1,700. Are you talking about Gap? Are you talking about the Ethereum? Talking about crypto right now? About crypto right now? Appreciate the follow, AJ, Khan, Maf, 2, Bry, Benji. If you guys have not already, smash that like button. It boosts us in the algorithm. And also follow, subscribe to the channel. We are usually trading NQ futures. Today's a sporadic trade on Ethereum that hit off the charts. 100% of the account, so smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Next time I will be live, unless we do something crazy this weekend. I have a couple counting challenge, like counting till 10K, 50K that I'm thinking about doing, but that would be brutal days, brutal days. I'm also not quite sure what happens when you reach the 24-hour time limit. Like, do I have to restart stream? Will I mess it up, etc., etc.? But the regular scheduled program is at on Monday at 9:30 a.m. EST. Trading Nasdaq futures, future indices of the Nasdaq. Mod said, are you also doing analysis in this time frame, or also waiting confirmation in another time frame? At this point, I'm just letting it go. Letting it go. I think 5,000 will hit today. Could be wrong, could not. We'll see. As you can see, I showed this earlier, mainly on the 30-minute time frame. The conviction for this trade. Let it load. Right here. Right here is when I got in. I saw ETH get above the 2-hour SMA with conviction, climb up. I saw a lot of hype on Twitter with it as well. Also on the crypto fear ingredient index was primed to launch. Absolutely primed. Was overextended for the longest time, scaled back, and was below 50. It was at 46 out of 100. And I just, pattern recognition, knowing to go. Now, this trade could have went sideways. I was asleep right here. Liquidation price was right here. But it decided to moon. Full risk. Risk reward, negative R&R. Oh, I guess in this case, it's a positive R&R. No way. Positive R&R, who knew? Fresh trades and positive R&R, oh my God. 24-hour stream marathon, oof, 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 oof. Haha, this moron is day trading ETH right now. Am I day trading? Hey, Poland's. Eat the 100% game, my friend. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it large, eat it large, eat it large. Bro, is this Bitcoin? Yes, it is, Forex. This is BITUNIX. Link is below. Highest liquidity non-KYC platform. I am affiliated. It's awesome. Appreciate it, Miguel. Trades. So then predictions, Gapper on ETH. Oof. Yeah, I think it has a couple more months before it does an 80% pullback, maybe more. What does it matter if day trade ETH or not? You trade whatever asset you want to trade. True. True, true, true. We got some haters in the chat. Haters in the chat. Freaking. You tell them, Gap. You tell them, Gap. Valiant, I am not offering anyone financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not copy anything I do or say. This is all for entertainment, educational purposes only. Hold your own conviction, do your own trade strategy, do your own analysis, and there are no missed opportunities. Only the next one, merch. If you guys been waiting to buy merch, I told you guys Friday and I meant it. Supposed to be only Jerome Powell 20% off, but since we hit this runner, the whole store, your whole order will be 20% off. Use code crypto20, full caps, all caps at checkout, and 20% off. I pinned it to every chat, So if you're looking to buy merch, now is the time. There will not be another sale like this for a while. For a while. Bro, so giddy off one positive position. Bro was literally almost crying yesterday, huh? I was almost crying. I wasn't live yesterday, by the way. Man, Poland, you hating off the winning. You hating off the winning, man. It's never safe. True, wise words, trade. I'll trade FM grasshoppers if I can make some money. But as an idea, would it be a good idea to enter right now? Not really. But you can do whatever you want. Personally, I would not be entering up here. Not on crypto. I just wait for a massive pullback or a massive overextension. When you start hearing, when I would start hearing like family members talk about crypto, that's normally the time to short. Sometime after that, within that month period, after you hear like regular normie retail just talk about stuff, that's usually the time to start shorting and start getting out. And then when the opposite, when you hear everyone saying ETH is dead, ETH is dead, ETH is no longer, ETH is dying, that's normally the time to start averaging in alone. That's just the patterns, some patterns, just very brief synopsis of an overview of pattern recognition. And I profited pretty well on it. Pepe. Show your entire portfolio and returns. This guy think he is? Who does this guy think he is? First, I'm constantly accused of being a fraud in NQ future trading, but I'm the only one showing every single trade, P&L, profit, wins, losses, and now I'm on BITUNIX with 10,000. I put in a trade 100x, and you guys are still not happy. It's insane, insane. The haters, hate us. Haters are crazy, man. All right, you still underperform just holding ETH. True. It's really about timing though. If you got in on this last pullback on ETH, you are up pretty nice. Go back. If you got in here, zoom out. This little dip at 1500, you'd be up what, 4x right now? 3x. Looking really good. Also, this consolidation zone, not bad. A lot of opportunities, and the most important part is you think crypto's over, you think every trade opportunity is gone. There are no missed opportunities. There are constant opportunities to come. Constant. No missed opportunities, only the next one. There are constant opportunities coming in and out. There are constant, always occurring. Leverage 100x, haha, bro, you finna blow up. I can't wait. This is leverage 24x. That guy out of here. He's killing the vibes. I got him out. He's out of here. He's not killing my vibe when I just hit a home runner. There's not many things you can 100% and account on. Not many things. Should have put more. It was a little high risk. Benji, Bruno, Vat, appreciate the follow, man. Because now all my remaining ETH is riding free. Yeah, I know, Gap. I know. You sold out all the initial and you're just trading with profit. Very nice. Even though I think ETH will hit 6,100 soonish, I'm happy with selling chunks of my ETH last week. Yeah, you got to get that initial out. Got to. All right. What do you want to see, chat? What do you want to see? You just want to trail this all the way up? It's about a moon. 40 points away. 4,881 are all-time highs on Ethereum. No. Capper says, well, it was mostly what I've gotten from staking past 3 years. And we're about to moon. We're up 1,800 on this 6% remaining of the initial. Feels good, looks good. We may have a runner. Chat. Should we just sit here and watch this trade? Should we browse the merch? Or should we watch some news? Wow, looking at this. Could just bathe in the glory, bathe in the profit. Just watch it go to the moon. There's no plans for today's stream. I randomly just, I was about to just post it on the YouTube post on the X and leave it alone, but I decided to bathe in the profit with you guys. Also 20% off. I wanted to, I promised you guys on Friday that if you were buying merch on Wednesday or Tuesday, I said it, to wait. There will be something on Friday, so I didn't want to be a liar on that regard. So now you get 20% off of the whole entire order. So merch. You have to use the code though. Code is pinned. I'm gonna post it in the chat just so people know the code. Almost time for weekend 3 DTE. So, Trade says, I wonder if the US facility in Ukraine was actually bombed. Saw a news somewhere, wondering if it's fake. What? Oh, shot, that's real. You say facility in Ukraine bombed. Oh, baby. Let me load up. Russian airstrikes hit a US. Let's load it up. Russian airstrike. Take this with some grain of salt. This is from NPR. Russian airstrikes hit a US factory in western Ukraine. 2 Russian cruise missiles slammed into an American electronics factory in a remote corner of the far western Ukraine before dawn Thursday, causing extensive damage and more than a dozen injuries, according to Ukrainian officials. The attack came as Russia carried out one of its largest airstrikes of the war, firing more than 570 drones and 40 missiles in an overnight barrage. According to the officials, Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky was one of the several officials who took to social media to report the airstrike, saying at least 15 people were wounded. In the post on Telegram, no, I do not want to donate, messaging app, Zelensky called it an ordinary civilian enterprise and American investment. They produce such familiar household items as coffee machines. The Ukrainian leader went on to say that Russian military delivered this strike as if nothing had changed at all, as if there was no efforts by the world to stop this war. Who is this guy? I'm not sure. He seems like a president of some type or a diplomat, politician, whatever. Contrary to all efforts to end the war, Russia undertook a massive combined airstrike on Ukraine overnight. Hundreds of drones, hypersonic, ballistic, and cruise missiles on civilian energy infrastructure. One of those missiles struck a major American electronics company. The company was hit. Producers, civilian electronic components and products with more than 100 offices and factories worldwide. The company was founded in the US and is listed on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, they're messing with the NASDAQ, man. That's a no-no. It's a big no-no. And has headquarters in both Austin, Texas, and Singapore. Flex did not immediately respond to emails seeking comments. Videos on social media showed thick black smoke rising from the company's plant in the town of Mukashevo, yep, that's how you pronounce it, Mukashevo, yep, near the border with Hungary. Some 600 workers were on the job when the missile struck before 5 a.m. Head of the regional military administration, before the attack, they heeded the air raid sirens and took cover in the secure areas. He noted, or the casualty toll would have been much higher. He said about 1/3 of the massive plant burned down. Now the attacks follow Trump's diplomatic efforts. Russia remains sullenly opposed to Western troops in Ukraine. Trump envoy Steve Witkoff has spoken of a guarantee that could resemble NATO's Article 5, which says an attack on one is an attack on all. Ethereum trying to break out. Ethereum's 30 points away. 30 points away from all-time highs. 4,881 is all-time highs. We are at 4,853. Just waiting. Long or shorts gapper? Oof. Gapper, it's an iron fly. Okay. Trade, so it's true, even after happy Putin and Trump meeting, shake my head, yeah. It's definitely a tragedy, man. I hate everything about it. Obviously, I want the war to come to an end. Everything's no good, no bueno. We'll see what happens in the bilateral meeting. We'll see what happens in the bilateral meeting between Ukraine, Zelensky, and Russian Vladimir Putin. See what happens. You can skew it to be more bullish or bearish, but as long as price stays within 6-point range, up or down, I win. The motive, you think it'll hit? You think ETH will hit 5,000? Type a 1 in the chat. Type a 1 in the chat if you think Ethereum will hit 5,000 while on stream. Type a 1 if you think Ethereum will hit 5,000 while on stream. Currently, it's 170 points away. 170 points, chat. What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? I don't know. Do it. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. I don't know if you guys have noticed, a technician came out and fixed all the internet, just all the connections, and I upgraded to the highest possible plan as well, and no more lag on the stream, knock on wood, no more downtime. It's been flawless the past couple streams, so definitely well worth it. This looks like this is a higher high. May consolidate here for a bit, maybe go down and then rise up. This could take an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. All depends. Yorick, appreciate the follow. Mad Vats, appreciate you guys. So that's why I get kicked out. What do you mean, trades? What do you mean? What's up, time? Oh, a lot of votes for yes. People think this is going to hit 5K. What do you mean, trades? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Ah, to the moon and beyond. Keeps telling me stream ended, and I got out and back again. I have no drop frames on my end. Everything should be good. Should be fine. One maybe messed up. The normal stream is having a little difficulty for some reason. I'm gonna end it. Don't worry, don't close out or anything. I'm gonna end this one.